Some stories are told from a comfortable armchair by a warm fireplace. But this story is quite different. In the crazy world of war, divorce, politics, sex, business, education, money, secrets, marriage, power, motherhood, violence. In this crazy world, how do you stay sane? This is a story about 5 women of my family and our quest for sanity. My grandmother Anna, a lively spirit, then a mother of 8. And my cousins, Miranda, an aspiring artist, Linda, an ambitious student, Irbe, a quiet music teacher, and me. I look at my family and ask, can I escape my destiny? The road to sanity is a wild ride. In this crazy world, do you heal a mind? Rocks in my pockets, a funny film about depression.